Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are the Baileys, and today I just want to show you guys how to open a corned beef can without breaking the key. This is the mistake that I used to make and a lot of us still make, and then halfway through opening the can, the key is broken and you have to chop out the pan or something. So guys, take the paper off the can. You see how the key comes this way? You are going to remove the key and flip it the other way, so like this. Then you can just start turning slowly. I know how to do this, so I go a little bit faster, but um, this way the key won't break and you won't left with like a half open can that you will later have to chop out, just like this. See that? Yeah. Corned beef for dinner today, guys. Yes, so nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe. Bye.